All right, Tesla had a nice little drop this morning, so we're going to take advantage of that, add a couple $100 to the account. So again, we'll go about 3 weeks out. Yeah, this week's almost over. About January 8th. Find something that'll put $100 in our pocket. So what I'm looking at here is the difference with the $5 increment, if the difference in the two prices are about $5. So yeah, so we'll do a 525. Cool. 110. Let's get two of those. Let's try to fill for 110. Wait here a second. Tesla might have started going up. No, we should have been okay. Should be able to get right around that 110. So we'll try 108. There we go, filled. Oh, we ended up getting 111, so a little bit higher than initial. So $222 in the account. There we go.